The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Friday. Last trading day before Christmas. Running a little late this morning. I am literally freezing. It is down to, well, I didn't even look at the temperature. Probably don't want to look at the temperature. Morning, Kevin. It is currently -9 here with a wind chill of -36. And while that would be wonderful for most living in most houses, something's wrong with the window here near my computer. I told my landlord about it for over a year now. But literally where I'm sitting right now in the house is about 30 degrees. That's with the heat running all night. The kitchen itself, as a whole, where the thermostat is sitting around 59, but I'm sitting right by the window that has the problem. Landlord claims it's something to do with not being insulated, which I think is bullcrap. I think he didn't do there was a window air conditioner in there a couple years back, and I don't think he took it out right. I think there's actually some sort of, I don't know, hole, or there's air coming in big time. So anyway, it's like 30 degrees where I'm sitting right now. I have 3 blankets on. Good morning. We can see NASDAQ overnight. Hardly moved. Wow, that's really hardly moved. About 50 points. Looks like no, 100 points. I'm sorry. Low is 0.11. The high was 111. So 100 points. Gee, the problem with that is the electric in this place is so bad that if I use the space heater, it would probably pop a breaker. Hello, Hafiz, Mandelbrot. Copper. That's why I want to get out of this place so bad. 100 ticks there on copper. Gold looks flat. Gold about 7 points. Ultra bond. About 1 point there on ultra bond. Crude oil. Just under 2 points of range. Yep. I think some of the wiring is still knob and tube. Wow, natural gas has fallen under 5. I don't understand that. Coldest snap of the year. Coldest it's been here in Decatur for several years. I can't even remember the last time I saw -35 wind chills. And natural gas is under 5. About 200 ticks of range there. So that's where we stand and sit right now. I need to log into Tradovate. Also last night, or not last night, this morning, as I was trying to get everything ready, I ended up unplugging my computer. So it's right as I normally go live, and so now I'm struggling to get back to where I was. Yeah, lots of news this morning. We'll look at that here shortly. Let me get signed in here to Tradovate. I do not have gloves, and I really wish I had gloves right now because it's actually like my fingers hurt right now. Okay, we're logged into Tradovate, so now we'll watch what the markets are gonna do. News this morning, as Mr. G said, we have US PCE price index, Canadian GDP, US durable goods, US consumer spending, US personal income, US real personal income, so on and so forth. Then at 10 o'clock, we have University of Michigan sentiment final and US new home sales. So, excuse me one second. Excuse me. Back. So, by Thursday, they want it back up to 52. Wish it was like that today. So watching ES here, bopping around. Had a nice move up and move down there. Mr. G, do you usually, you said a couple times about you looking at charts into the evening. Do you usually do that, or is that something new for you? Watching? What the heck is that? When did they start putting news headlines on here? And that's not a, those really, okay. Okay, that makes sense. I gotcha, I gotcha. Good morning, Kevin. I missed you missed your message there. Glad to see you. Oh man, we might have a shortened stream today, depending how things are going. Hey, Dave. Crude oil sideways. Pushing down here on ES. Kind of like that setup. That up, down, up move. Or down, up, down. Sounds spongy. Taking a short here. On ES. 3 micros. Three and a half point stop. Oil still sideways. And wants to come back down for me. So we'll sit here and watch it with my hands under the blanket. Everyone ready for Christmas, or does anyone still have last minute shopping to do? Just watching. Hanging on the EMA. Which way does it want to go, George? Which way does it want to go? Ooh, ouch, up. And down we are. About 11 minutes from the top of the hour. Up, down, up, down, up. Hopefully down. But we'll see. Y'all are quiet today. Are y'all frozen too? The cold never bothered me anyway. Watching ES here. Hey, Hassan. Pushing back down. About 6 ticks negative right now. So I'm just gonna let it work. Spike up there and right back down. Getting beaten right back down. But this long is starting to look bad. Wait, I'm short. Am I short or long? Yeah, I'm short. Yeah, the short's starting to look bad. Sorry. Took it because of the break of the 200, but it came right back up. I should have just got right back out. I'm kind of watching. Gonna let it work just to see. I'm not sure it's gonna get back up to that recent high. You can see that, any time it tries to spike up, it gets beaten right back down. So I'm hoping it gets beaten down. There we go. There's a nice beat down. And a break for the 20 EMA there. Not sustained so far. Hungry. Just watching this here. See if anything else exciting is going on. Copper's coming down. Natural gas, not much volume. Treasuries look like they're coming down. And grindy. Tesla dropped like a rock yesterday. Sure what it's doing this morning. Up a little bit in pre-market. Well, ES continues to torture me here, deciding whether it wants to go up or down. I should get out here, really. Yeah, let me kill that trade. So we take a little loss here to start.
Bah! Humbug!
Yeah, came back down again. Figures. Look at that. Ah, decided to get out because it was definitely looking like it wants to uptrend here, but came back down. Could have got a better exit. So I'll continue to watch these two charts. I'm not going to be hopping much between charts right now. Just because that requires my arms to come out from underneath the blanket. Yes, hanging at 38.58. By the way, we didn't talk about what happened yesterday. I saw this huge move down throughout the day yesterday. It broke below 11,000. Just huge sell-off, and all of a sudden, big bounce. Bounced back up by over 150 points in the afternoon. Just turned on a dime and went up. Just looked like it was gonna go to 0 and then boom. You all quiet this morning? All your jingle bells jingled out? Other people frozen to their computers or crude grinding up there. ES is hanging here 38.58. Top of the hour. So far ES doesn't care. Crude popped up a little bit. 30 minutes to a gaggle of news. ES trying to get above that 38.58.75. It's topped there 3 times on this attempted move up. Trade US speaker. I'm not sure what you mean, Kevin. There's the rise up. Let's see if it gets up to that high there. Yeah, whoa, boost, boom. There we go, 38.60. Oh, yeah. Yep, that was a big pop. Pull it back a little bit. Yawning. And yet, natural gas prices continue to fall. You would think that would, you know, supply and demand would send natural gas back up. Now we're just kind of consolidating here at 38.59 again. After that nice boom up. One sec. Don't know, honestly. Mr. G, you ever thought what the CPE will be? She's, yeah. Up to 38.61. Yeah, CPE is one I really follow, Mandelbrot, so I did have no analysis that without making myself just sound. And back down. So got up to 38.61, pushing back down. Up, break of the EMA, back down. Oh, a quick move down after that. Took all this time to grind up and then quick move back down. We are about 21 minutes till news. Pulling back down. Yeah, we had a huge range yesterday. I'll be surprised if it breaks out of that range, unless it's to the downside. Dips under the EMA here. And back up. Curling back up. Yeah. Crude. That's an interesting grind up there. It's almost alternating red and green candles, but greens are outdoing the reds. Not gonna try. This short was doing, ES is doing a down, up, down move there, but I'm not trusting it. We'll probably stay flat through the news and maybe even after. Okay, crude just continuing to go. So let's look at that. Sorry, being a little quiet here, guys. So we had this move down here right as I was, well, fumbling to get on live today. And it got back above the 20, I mean the 100. Consolidated around the 20 and the 100, and then finally got above. Here. All right. What book are you reading, G? And we're hanging around this EMA again. And there's crude continuing to rocket up. Trying to get up to 80. Natural gas dipping more there. This is crude oil. See, it popped up to 79.66 earlier. That's our high. For about 15 minutes away, not minutes. And we're hanging here. Wake up, people. Talk a little bit. Talk some. There's crude trying for the high day. 4 ticks away. There it is. Just retouched. Good morning, Deb. How are you? Burst through high day there on crude. ES still hanging on. Ooh, was hanging on ZMA. There's a little move up. Good morning, JC. ES popping back up. Is going to try and see here. Down here, I thought we were going to go back down. We came up, and then down. And I thought it was going to be another down, but it turned out to be an up. It's small loss today so far. Seems very stagnant. Just sitting here freezing. ES trying to pop back up. How high will crude go? There's something wrong with the window by where my computer is, and I can't get to it. I told my landlord about it a year ago, and he was like, I retold him about it last night. He says it's something to do with the insulation. He'll fix it sometime in the new year. But like literally where my computer's at here in the kitchen, it's getting below freezing. Like I store my soda underneath my table, and I have the bottles of soda are freezing. So I'm sitting here. Where I'm sitting is about 30 degrees or less. Don't actually have a thermometer over here, but yeah. The thermostat is the heat. I have the thermostat set at 72, and it says the temperature right now is 59. This is why my gas and electric bill is $500 a month. So yes, I do have blankets on. I have one wrapped around my remaining foot so it doesn't fall off from the cold. And it's 2 minutes until Autobahn market opens. And our gaggle of news 10 minutes after that. We pull back a little bit and then right back up. Almost a double top there, coming back down. The opening for the Alter Bond, let's see. Not real exciting so far. Well, that was rude of it. It's not doing much here at the opening of the Treasuries. It's like crude's trying to come down. Up, back up on ES. Good morning, Dakota. Down to the EMA on crude. Ultra Bond came a little bit of life there. 6A. I don't have a chart up for 6A. Crude's down to its EMA, trying to break it. We might have a shorter stream today because I think it's going to be boring and I am not feeling it today, I'll be honest. We'll stay through the news, we'll stay through the open and then evaluate from there. Crude oil pulling back. Think we're going to get up that high, Hassan? Oh, God. I do, I am surprised, I should say, that this week had as much, much movement as it did. I really expected a boring week. It really wasn't a boring week at all. I'm interested to see what happens next week. I traded in these days last year, but I can't remember them for crap. I don't remember what it was like. I'm old. Yeah, we barely got any snow out of it here, but these wind chills are killer. Morning, Walter. Haven't seen you in a couple days. How you been? Bounced there on crude. Yes, still struggling around 38.61. We have news in just a few minutes. 4 minutes. Went back down. Oh, tired. So watching what this does. Let's see what the news does. We are 2 minutes from the news. Whole bunch of news. Profit there, JC? Nothing to be sorry about there, Walter. Definitely enjoy your holidays. Like that move there on crude back up, and that's the type of move I like. Down and this curl back up and this curl back down. Nice, JC. Good job. There's the news. Let's see. Indecisive. We often see indecisiveness on news when there's a whole bunch of it coming out at once. Let's see if I got some numbers here. Oh, it's not out yet. Sorry. Duh, I'm a minute early. Try that again in about 15 seconds. Oops. Whoa! Yeah, there's the news candle. Wow. Son, I don't think we're seeing 85. Down to 38.25. Big bounce there, though. Wow. Oh my god, maybe we are going to see 85. What the heck? Wow. What a candle. What two? Shot down right before the news by 16 points. Shot down more by another 16. Now we're back up to green. Crude did some weird stuff. Let's see if we have numbers. That was insane. Let's see what the news was. Let's see. US PCE price index at 5.5. That was exactly on point. Canadian GDP 0.1. That was exactly on point. US durable goods negative 2.1%. Expected was negative 1%, so that was a miss. US consumer spending 0.1%. They expected 0.2, so that was a miss. US personal income 0.4. They expected 0.3, so that was a better than expected. U.S. real personal consumption 0%. They expected 0.1. U.S. core durable goods 0.2%. They expected 0%. U.S. core PCE price index year over year 4.700004%. Wow, they get really exact, don't they? And they expected 4.623%. That's quite the candle. NQ, I'm sure did the same. Yeah, look, there's that NQ. NQ shot down by 59, popped back up, now back down. Ultra Bond. I think everything made new daily highs or lows. We saw, I mean, we see it on everything here. See the candle there in copper. You see it on the indices. I mean, on the currencies. Gold hit a new daily high slightly, but it's now rejecting. Ultra Bond, new daily low. What a candle there. What a wick. Crude, new daily high. Pulled back. Natural gas didn't care. But now we're heading down. That's good. So it's gonna get back down to that wick. Strong like bull, Mr. G. Yeah, maybe this is our curl up back up here. It's a bullish engulfing. Or it's trying to be. Strong move back up here. This is a 5-point candle. Thought about taking long there. Probably should have. It's a nice setup. I guess it was good I didn't. It did pop. Oh, it popped 2 points exactly. So may or may not have gotten a win there looking for two. Crude bouncing there. Came all the way back down to about 79.19. It's already back up to 79.40. Yes, hanging around 38.40. A little less than an hour to the bell. Pulling back. I want to thank everyone for joining me this morning. Hope you're having a great day. It's the last trading day before Christmas. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm, I would appreciate it. Crude back above the moving average, but I'm not taking that trade there. We'll see. Alright. Morning, Matt. Safely back home, buddy? Yeah, there's ES popping back up to that EMA. So it's gained back the entire last red candle. And trying for more here. Getting up to the EMAs. It's about to gain back everything it lost. Yep, I should have taken that crude. Wow, big burst up there. Nice, JC. Great job. Wow, ES just has regained everything it lost from the news. 38.65, Hassan. Might get your 85 yet. Big topping wick there on that minute candle pulling back. Crude pulling back as well. Good morning, Ace. All ready for Christmas, Ace? Having yams for Christmas, Ace? Yes, hanging on the 100 and 200 moving average. Market's happy right now, I guess. Hated the news for 5 minutes and then loves it now. All right, JC. Have a great Christmas. We'll see you back here on Tuesday. Merry Christmas. We're really rising up here now. This is our high. It's got above that high there. Is that our high a day? Yeah, we are high a day. 38.67. 38.69. Nice, Dakota. UB rebounded there? Yes, it did. Everything's rebounding. So everybody hated the news at first, and then they decided they loved the news. Continuing to watch this rise. Not sure how many. I'm just kind of watching the market here. Not sure I'm gonna take any more trades. Honestly, taking trades requires me to actually like have my hand outside of the blanket. Up. Struggling right around 38.70. Let's see if it pulls back here. Crude, big pullback there. Crude chart, ES charts, kind of similar. A little bit quicker pullback there on crude, but same down up move. Have a holly jolly Christmas. There's ES trying to push back up. Sits there. Trying to decide which way it wants to go. And there's another move down on oil. We'll try to give it all back. And sitting there, both of them, not really doing much. 45 minutes or so till the bell. 40 minutes till the bell, sorry. Okay. This crew trying to pop back up. Well, Did not get above the EMA. Well, we got the high of 38.70, pulled back here by 10 points. Wow, big pullback. Didn't look like 10 points. Hey, I think I figured this out. Mouse works under the blanket. That's a good question, G. Very good question. These are the questions we ponder on MightyOxTrading. Yes, trying to break back down. Quick push down back, so ES just that quickly starts falling back. Come for the trading, stay for the sound effects. Oh, should have taken that short, considered it, but wasn't sure. There you go. For your drinking games, this has been a nice shoulda, coulda, woulda. Like I said, I'm not really feeling it today anyway, so I'm just kind of commentating. If I see something I really, really like, I'll take it. Otherwise, we'll just commentate, hang out here. Alright, Dakota. Keep us updated. Oh, yes, back down. And might try and curl again yet. All the moving averages are at the same spot right now. Crude's popping back up over to his EMA. His EMA? Its EMA. I don't think crude has a gender. Great job, Ace. Good job capturing that green candle. Crude back above its 20 EMA. Ah, wow. Yeah, that would make sense about FedEx. I imagine their planes are having trouble with icy wings. Crude hanging right on its EMA. Looks like it wants to grind down though. Now we have this barcoding action here on ES, but with big candles. Pushing below its 100. Yep. Less than 2 minutes from the top of the hour. Crude oil, energies, markets open. Wow. Tis the season, Ace. Tis the season. I do appreciate everyone hitting that like button. Oh god, just hanging here. See what happens here when oil opens. As I try to stay warm. Yeah. Uh, crude oil popping up. Rising up here. Back here. ES pushing down. 38.42. Crude hanging there. So our low there was on this on the news candle was 38.25. Was that our low of the day too? Yes, it was. Pushing back down toward that. All right, Dakota. Oh, nice. Good job, Dakota. About that. So watching ES continue to push down here, maybe a little bounce. Less than half an hour till the bell. Unless something really exciting happens, we might cut at 10 today instead of 11, guys. We'll see. Crude blew up there and gave it almost all back. Now it's trying to bounce again off its EMA. Crude bouncing back up big time. 12 ticks. Morning, Speed Racer. How you doing? And pushing back down. Oh, this is up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Oh. And we did bounce there on ES. Pushing back up. Crude is really kind of ugly right now, actually. That's just an ugly chart. Not that we're judging. Crude did bounce nicely off that 100 EMA down there back before it's open. Could be an indication that we were coming up. Like I said, I'm not sure I'm going to be taking any other trades today. Watching, if I see a perfect setup, I'll take it. But that requires me to actually move my hand from underneath the blanket. So we're kind of commentating ES and crude. Thankfully, it's supposed to be warmer next week. Dakota, I have heat, but I've told my landlord that there's a problem with the big window here in the kitchen. Yes, my computer's in the kitchen because that's the only place it really works here because of the way the house is set up. Anyway, there's a problem with this window. I don't know what it is. I can't get to it because it's just because of my disability and all that. It's just hard to deal with. But the window it literally where I'm sitting right now, it's 30 degrees because you can feel the air just blowing in. The soda had underneath the desk my computer sits on actually froze. So I have the thermostat set to 72, but it's still only 59 here in the kitchen, and where I'm sitting is around 30 degrees. And there's crude pushing back up. Ugly chart, but to the upside. So I'll be dealing with this coal out here until it starts, until this wind chill stops in a couple of days and all that fun stuff. The landlord claims it's something to do with insulation. I don't think it's something to do with insulation. I think that there was a botched. There was an air conditioner in this window before I was here, and I think they did something to the window that's actually just letting air come in absolutely without anything to block it. But like I said, I can't get to it. He says he's gonna fix it in January. Nah, the water pipe's on the other side of the house, so no, it shouldn't be a problem. That. But see, this is also why my gas and electric bill is $500 a month. Even though I keep my normally don't keep my thermostat any higher than 66. I mean 67 or 68. But I'm still my electric bill is and gas bill is $500 a month. I've pushed the thermostat up to 72 just so the furnace will keep running. You know, bathroom's toasty. Pushing down. We are about 16 minutes from the bell. But yeah, yeah, it's supposed to. I mean, it's supposed to run through the wind chills are at least supposed to run through Saturday. I mean, they want it back up to 50 degrees by next Thursday. But still, this is brutal. So hanging out here at 38.45. Crude still choppy. Now I'm looking at this choppiness. This would have been my entry if I was taking the trade. Would have went 10 ticks. Excuse me. Popping up. Hanging on this EMA. This will be a decent entry right here. Good morning, Naomi. How you doing? I've never used TradeZilla. It's something I'll have to check out. And pushing back down on crude. We got 13 minutes to the open. Awesome. Yeah, I'll definitely check it out. Thank you for that. That was another possible entry right there. Popped up a little bit. Came back down. Did wick up a little bit. Would have needed a 3-point stop. 2 would have nailed me. 2.5. But either way. You see it's still coming down now. Like I said, I'm really not feeling it today, so I'm probably not going to take any trades. But we'll continue commentating. We may cut this off at an hour early. We'll see. Remember, guys, the market is closed on Monday. Reopens Monday evening at 6 Eastern. Crew of the bounce. There are, of course, a bunch of sales going on with the prop firms. Shockingly, Apex has not rejoined them, but I have a feeling they might tomorrow. Like tomorrow, maybe. But I could be totally wrong. I'm shocked that Apex is not discontinuing their 80% sale. ETF's last 12 days of Christmas sale be announced today. Bolonox has a sale, like 70% off. Tick Tick, I think it's 60. Take Profit Trader now has the Tradovate NinjaTrader integration, and they're 30% off if you use CFT's code. And when you pass, if you use CFT's code, you also don't have no activation fees. Yeah, I agree with that, Mr. G. UProfit has a sale on their special static drawdown account. Earn a trade course 50% off all their products. Nothing for Top Step, of course. Shocking. I don't think there's anything for 1UP either, but honestly, I don't track 1UP, so. Oil. Trying to get back up to its high day. There's a high day in oil. Last I heard, Dakota, it got pushed off into sometime next year. And I'm no longer in contact with the guy I was talking to. He stopped answering my emails. So, I mean, I'm a Top Step affiliate, but I have no more special knowledge of anything. Not really happy with the way Top Step did all that. You know, this big announcement. And honestly, the announcement because they waited so long. It is not even going to have the impact it would have had back in August when he was first telling me about it. I can't say again. I'm not under any contract where I couldn't talk about it, but I'm not gonna blow it. I'm not like that. But let me just put it this way: what they're planning on doing, other companies are already now doing, just in a smaller fashion than what they're planning on doing. But by the time they announce it, the impact's definitely gonna be muted. Crude up to 80, almost up to 80 here. No, Passan is not. Nope. Just a lot of static on their end. Yep, in my opinion, they totally blew it by pushing this off. I don't ever see them getting the top spot back in this industry. I don't see anyone taking it from Apex unless something happens. We are 4 minutes into the bell. Excuse me. All right, Naomi. Good morning, Crypticon. How's your weather up there, Crypticon? Uh, yeah, Crypticon. That's exactly how things are here, except for that's almost real because where I'm sitting is like 30 degrees inside the house. Meanwhile, ES continuing to push down here as we are 2 minutes until the bell. Crude coming back down to its EMA here. 1 minute to the bell. Oh, Mr. G, that's an interesting story right there. First of all, I was living in another house that my landlord owned, and I, at one time in my life, considered the landlord a friend. But anyway, while I was in the hospital right after my amputation, said landlord lost the house I was living in to a tax sale. So while I was in the rehab center after the amputation, he moved my stuff from that house to this house. There's the bell. Ding, 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 ding. Jingle bell rock. Popping up a little bit there. 2.5 points, 3 points, 4 points. 5 points. Excuse me, while we watch this, I Need to look for something real quick that I misplaced. Give me 1 second. Okay, back. Crude bouncing. ES so far showing green here, but not a strong green move. Oh yeah, RJ, I definitely want to get out of here. It's one of my biggest goals. Big move up here on ES. Up to 38.48 here and back down. $38.49. Getting up to its 100 EMA there. Nice bounce on crude as well. Wow, boom. So definite big green here at the open. Go to our 5-minute chart. You can see we're up 14 points. uh, hello, class. Trading is the best way to learn math. It's a good thing I don't like swear on here, Crypticon. Pulling back a little bit here. 5-minute candle has a minute to go. Nice. Good luck with that, Naomi. Let us know how it goes. Pushing all the way back down. After that big move up, all the way back down. Now it's only up 2 points after going up 16. Profit there, Naomi? Gave almost all back. New candle here. And look at that. That was a beautiful rejection off the 200 EMA. Down. Yeah, that was a good setup right there. I should have taken that. But like I said, I'm just not feeling it today, so. Great job, Naomi. Hey, look at ES dropping. Remember our low over here from the news candle was 38.25. Pushing down. Starting next week, I plan on being way more aggressive. I need to be more aggressive with this stuff. Awesome job, Naomi. Love hearing success like that. Had him for like all of 2 minutes or so. Flush down. We are flushing. If there's going to be a Santa Claus rally, I think the reindeers are already been run over. Santa Claus might be stuck in a chimney. Yeah, Santa Ox was on yesterday, Jay. I actually showed my face. Little pop up there, but nothing strong. Still has not broke that low day from the news about a little over an hour ago. Crude back down to its EMA again. Trying to break on through to the other side. Break on through to the other side. Today's stream isn't as good a quality as normal. Mostly staying on these two charts. It's just cold. Our regular quality will return on Tuesday. Excuse me 1 second. Oil flushing. Really shouldn't flush oil. It probably can screw up your plumbing. Not that I mean, I don't know. Maybe it makes things move easier, or maybe it'll make it that it doesn't clog. I don't know. Bouncing here. Let's see if it bounces. See if we double bottom here. Got down to 38.24 and a quarter there. Then this candle is 38.25, so close enough to consider it a double bottom if it decides to come back up. So, I did say about the Santa Claus rally, but, remember yesterday we saw this reversal. Could see it again today. Obviously, we're still well inside yesterday's ranges. Yesterday, all our troubles seem so far away. Down. That setup was perfect. That's the types of setups I definitely need to start taking. That rejection off that 200 area is a beautiful move. Up, then down. Here we see it back up though, trying to come up. Big bounce. Bounced about 5 points so far. Nope, more. No, I'm sorry, 15 points. I apologize. Got down to 24s up to 44, so 20 points. I can't keep up. Good job, Crypt. Nice. Crude back above the moving average, rejecting there. Yes. Next week, we are going to be, since we're expecting it to be slow, we'll see if it's slow or not, but expect it to be, we're going to talk a little bit about where we've gone in 2022 and what our goals are for 2023. I have rejected 383 improvement. So I will reject it yesterday. Order block unloading there. Good analysis, Naomi. Thank you. And then move back down. This breaks back under this moving average. I'm going to actually take the trade. 20 seconds to go. Oh yeah, I mean, patience is one of the biggest. I accidentally just hit the going short. So we'll see how that works. I hit it early. Well, let's see if it works. Hey, look at that. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, it was until it bounced. Yeah. Ah, man, bounced. See if it comes back down for me. There we go. Pushing down, pushing down, pushing down. Yeah. It down. There we go. Come on. Push down, push down. Give me. Give me. Ah, out. Out before bounced up a little bit, but we got 13 ticks out of that. See, it shook me out. Watch it continue to drop there. But that was a winning trade. Only down $4 now. And might be the last time we see this since Christmas will be done. So no reason to have Santa next week. We'll go back to the cash machine. Thank you, Naomi. Yep. Could have definitely got more out of it, of course. Could have got another 3 points. But I'm happy there. Got back up to almost break even. Thank you, Dakota. There was a green candle trying to come back down to red. That's awesome, Crypticon. Oh, absolutely agree, Naomi. I do admit, I do jump out. I get too skittish. It's something I need to work on. But, continuing to push down here. So low of the day, 38.24. We're going to break down below that again. You see, this move is almost the exact same as this one. Just it's a tiny, didn't get up as high, and so it's a smaller sibling of this move. UB20 for Dakota. He's already close 2 ticks from his goal. Nice move down there on the Ultra Bond. Everything seems to be turning red. Copper, red. Natural gas doesn't care. Just a tad bit of a bounce there. 38.24 and a half. Yep, there's 12. Dakota got his target. Good job, Dakota. Well, I assume he hasn't said winner yet, but I know he goes for 8 ticks. Yep, there we go. Bullish engulfing there on ES, popping up about 4 points. But bad beaten back down. Remember, we do have more news coming up in about 10 minutes, top of the hour. U.S. Michigan sentiment final and new home sales. Pushing back down. Nope, nope. Now trying more green. Pushing, trying to push down. Push, 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 push. And bounce back up a little bit. So kind of tightening here in its range. Home on the range. Got a nice hot cup of tea here. Warms the soul. I need to start drinking more tea, especially green tea. Crude back up and then back down, bouncing off. Dancing in the dark. Yeah. Back, sorry about that. And we're not really going anywhere though. But we do have news in 5 minutes, so maybe we'll go somewhere then. I don't know where we're going. I only know where we've been. Popping up. Oop, there's another breakdown. New low day for ES. I'm going to assume Ag. Did Apple just hit its low day, Naomi? I don't have an Apple chart up. Ooh, Tesla down to 121. Am I seeing that right? Yes, Tesla down to 121. Wow. Santa's decided Elon Musk is not on the nice list this year, apparently. There's ES down to 38.22. $38.23 is where we're at. 3 minutes till more news. We'll see how that affects the market. Sleigh bells are ringing. Popping a little bit back up. Crude's gotten ugly. Yes, hanging out 38.24. Hang in here. I want to thank everyone for joining me this morning. I appreciate you all being here. It's last trading day before Christmas. If you haven't hit that like button, consider it my Christmas present. Unless, of course, you want to give me cash. I'll take cash over a like button. No, I'm kidding. Joking seriously. If to help me with continuing to grow the channel by hitting that thumbs up button. We've pushed above 1,200 now. Be interested to see how many subscribers we're at by this time next year. Strong candle down. We're 5 seconds of news. Let's see what happens. Ooh, big burst. 6 points. So news. It's kind of stuck there. Oh, right back down. And up. Big up. Back down. Sounds like we're exercising. The 13.5 there I saw, but pulled back. Oh, let's try it again. 12, 15. Wow. 17 points. Crude's up a little bit there. That news must have been good news. Let's look at it. Here it is. University of Michigan sentiment final 59.7. Expected it was 59.1, so that was a beat. New U.S. new home sales 0.64 million. Expected it was 0.6 million, so that was also a beat. So 5-minute candle, real quick look. We're up 13.5 points. Let's see if it continues that momentum up or if it was just like the news back here where it came up for about about 15 minutes and it dropped. Then we had a pop at the open and dropped. See, it's already starting to try and turn red. Candles blink a bright red and green. Shoppers rush home with their presents. Pushing back down, down, down. Going down, down, down. Losing in that entire candle almost. Let's see, bounces off the EMA. Trying up, down. It's really indecisive right now. See where we go. Each candle goes up a little, lower high. That's what I'm trying to spit out. That's okay, Naomi. So coming back down, you see tall wicks on each of these, and now it's pushing back through that EMA. That would be CFT, and I kind of want to send that video to Jason Sleazy. Pushing back down. Oh, Jason Sleazy stuff, RJ? Not shocked. Bouncing up, back up here, or trying to. Look at that crude chart. That is one heck of an ugly chart. Pushing down. A little bit of wildness from the news, but it seems like down's the direction again. You can see failed here. Another touch for the 100 if failed. Basically, I hate to say it, but ES is just a failure today. Thank you all for hanging in today. I mean, I'm really surprised there's 35 people here this time of day on the last trading day before Christmas. I definitely appreciate that you're all here listening to me. Uh, I took a winning trade, Ace. You missed that. Dakota's taking multiple winning trades. 5 ticks on that one. Then we're talking about CFC's latest video. We're talking about Jason Sleazy, my hater from the other day. And I've chipped ice off my hands a couple of times. Yeah, RJ did kind of mention you earlier, Ace, talking about this year, and you just totally ignored him. There you go. Yeah, I'm so glad you guys found this stream. I'm not sure how you guys found it. I'm assuming Google recommended it to you. Ooh, look at crude blowing up. Crude, I mean, it looks bigger than what it is. That's what she said. 14 ticks. ES popped up big there. 9.5. That was a 9.5 point candle. Wow. I said a little earlier when you weren't here, Ace, that next week, since it's probably gonna be slow, we'll be talking about the year prior and what we've accomplished and what our goals are for the next year. That's good, G. Green is green. Nice, Dakota. I love the way you easily switch from UB over to ES and back and forth. Sometimes throw in a CL. And now we're seeing this rise up. Can it get above that news candle there from 10 minutes or so ago? Did not quite touch the top of that news candle. You can see it's almost a triple top here though. Let's look at that. Boom, boom, boom. See if it ends up breaking that. But right now it's pulling back. That's an awesome day, Dakota. Merry Christmas, Dakota. See you next week. Nice ace. Hanging right on its 100 EMA right now. That's alright, Ace. Never need to apologize. I'm being kind of conservative today anyway. I've only taken 2 trades. Uh, Feeling a bit off. My stomach's a bit off. And the cold has my mind numb. So, hopefully Tuesday we be back to flying high. Pushing back down here. So again, another failure at that same level. Around 38.45. Crude still pushing up. Ugliest chart you're ever going to see, but it's working over there. Another bounce for ES off that EMA. Strong bounce back up. It's going to maybe make another run for that. This is the 4th time the charm. You see that where it's top now is basically now at the 200 EMA. There's a break. Can it sustain? 38.46. There's a strong break. Let's see if it sustains this run. Nice G. 38.47.5 for ES. Crude trying to break 80. Crude got up to 79.97. So you can see that candle right before the big green candle. The green candle there bounced off the EMA and was a bullish engulfing over that last red candle. Would have been a good entry. Obviously a good entry. But that was a good indicator of an entry. Another burst up there, up to 38.54. Broke through that level Naomi just talked about. Strong move. Crude burst up to 80.12. Whoa, look at that big candle on crude, all of a sudden exploding up. Crude oil explosion up to 80.29. All of a sudden everything is green. I shouldn't say that, I'm looking at two charts. Ultra bond moving up a little bit. NQ, of course, moving up. Oh, look at natural gas blowing up finally. Copper's popping. Dow, of course, is popping. Wow, that was really quick, G. Nice job. Up to 38.55. NQ pulling back. I mean, I'm sorry, NQ. Crude. Crude pulling back a little bit. Got a little overextended there, so there's the pullback. Pushing down. Might have found a top. Sorry, pulled back by 4. Well, same message applies, Dakota. Merry Christmas to you. Have yourself a great holiday weekend. We got a little bit above this opening candle. Well, I should say this opening move. Got back up to 38.56. This candle is 38.54. You see the news move got up to 38.72. Pull back a little bit there on crude. Now just kind of sideways. Sideways here, ES. Looks like it wants to push down. So we heading for another leg up on ES. Crude hit a high there of about 80.30, and that was pulled back by about 20 ticks. Will crude continue to, we'll be able to maintain 80 here? Is it going to drop back below? Hanging here. Crude back down to 80.03. Burst up, more of a burst up here, 38.59. Bounce there on crude as well. Coming up on 10:30. Crude bouncing back up, staying above that EMA. Wow, I mean that's a big number. Hello, citizen. What family? Pull it back a little bit. Watching this half hour or so to go. Although if we see a major slowdown. Awesome job, G. Have yourself a great Christmas, my friend. Back down to 38.50. Oh, Ace. Okay, I got you. I thought you meant you were trading your family. Decided to, decided to, short the kids. Heading up here. Back up to 38.59. Yes, not willing to give it up and head down. Still trying to push up. There's 38.60. 38.62. Wow, big burst up there. 6 points. Marbles. Does anyone even play with marbles anymore? I think if you gave a kid marbles nowadays, they'd be like, what the heck am I supposed to do with this? They'll throw them at you and then go back to their device. So, got another leg up there on ES. ES gets all the legs. Won't even give me one. Yeah. Maybe we're gonna get that last day Santa Claus rally. Yeah, I don't remember rules of that either, Ace. You've blinded a dragon, RJ. Pushing up here. I hear the train a coming. Santa Claus is gonna come in a boogie woogie choo choo train. Merry Christmas, David. Thank you very much. Wish you a very happy holiday weekend. Thank you, David. I really appreciate you saying that. Ace is in long at 61.75. He's got about 6 ticks there. It's pulling back. Oh, whoa. Nice burst up there, 64.50. Gave him 2 more there. Yes, he does. He actually got 2 earlier, too, so his family's really going to be fed today. Ace straight copier. That would be awesome. Yeah. Yeah, Ace does call most of his trades. Unless he has to go make breakfast and disappears without telling us. And RJ's crying in the corner because Ace didn't acknowledge him. Yep. It's hanging here now. Might be showing some exhaustion. See you Tuesday, David. Have a great Christmas. And look at ES continuing to rise up. Wow. Big Ace is up to 5 points, 6 points on that entry. Still hanging here, 38.67. I think I hear Santa Claus ho ho hoing here. Ride or die. Burl, surprisingly, there's been good action today, Burl. Rising up now after falling most of the night. I've taken 2 trades and I'm down $4. So, obviously rocking the market's hard. Ace is in a long right now and getting a lot of money out of it. How cold did it get where you're at, Burl? Burl down North Carolina. I know the South was supposed to get some chilly weather. It's still much warmer than it is here. uh, nice job, Ace. Yeah, I figured it was pretty chilly, there. That unusually chilly. I mean, Illinois gets cold, but I'm not sure I've ever seen -40 wind chills. So we've about 15 minutes left on the stream. Last call for hitting that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Appreciate if you would do that if you haven't yet. Yep. Got down to -9 here last night. Well, I might have got down lower, but -9's the lowest I saw. EMA, I mean, yeah, the ES coming back to its EMA. That's -9 before wind chill. But we got a bounce there on the EMA, on the ES. And by next Thursday, they want it back up to 50 degrees here, so. Yeah, I prefer a slightly cold sleeping arrangement, but and they say it's healthiest for you to sleep in a colder room. Up, yes, breaking back down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 straight red candles. So, really wasn't feeling the trading today, so I only took 2 trades. One winner, one loser. They about evened out. We'll be back to our regular good trading. Well, I can't ever call my trading good, but regular trading on Tuesday. Merry Christmas, Ace. Have a great holiday weekend. We will see you on Tuesday. Thanks, my friend. Have a great weekend, Burl. Merry Christmas. RJ, Merry Christmas. And of course, I believe Hanukkah's still going on. Happy Hanukkah to all our Jewish friends. If anyone's celebrating Kwanzaa, happy Kwanzaa as well. Well, we'll see. We'll definitely keep an eye on that throughout the day, Hassan. I did wonder if we were gonna get up there on that move up there. That Ace was part of. Always, Hassan, always. CES popping back down now, down to 38.52. The 100 and 200 have converged at around 38.49.50. There it's at its 100 and 200. Bounced off of it. Alright. I'll be watching the charts on and off throughout the day as I chip myself out of an ice block. Oh, cool. And yeah, it's a nice one for ETF. Although I think everyone expected 65% since that's what they were doing last month. Not that it's not complaining. I did pick up a end of day yesterday for 65% off. Yeah. Definitely interested to see what happens with the prop firm industry in 2023. Tradovate rollouts. I know a couple prop firms are planning some big things. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. I agree. I can't think of anything else either. Unless there's some sort of weird out of the box idea that they've come up with, but pushing back down. Last couple minutes of the stream. Yeah, it's kind of weird. Yeah, for all that, the competition's definitely been a good thing. Yep. Although honestly, I mean, if you're gonna reset, you got to do it quickly. Because all these deals were only 1 month, they weren't lifetime. I don't think. That sounds right. Yes, trying to break below its 100 and 200 here. Oil's really breaking down. I even kind of stopped focusing on oil, but big breakdown. They're getting up to about 80-30. The percentage is probably way less for the companies that offer 80% discounts, assuming that they're going by accounts passed and not like actual traders that pass. So anyway, that's where we're gonna cut it for today, folks. I do want to thank everyone for joining me. I hope everybody has a very happy, safe, peaceful, fun holiday weekend. I wish you all a very Merry Christmas, and we will be back here Tuesday morning, 7:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Talk to you all then. Happy holidays, folks. Bye. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.